Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zoho Recruit with Zoho People. Alright, first up, go ahead and go to your Zoho Recruit account. Now, once you're in here, go to the top right and click on the gear icon that says Setup. Just click on it. Now, let's go ahead and find Marketplace right here. Okay, so what we'll do is just go ahead and click on Zoho. Click on it, and in here, you should be able to see Zoho People. Alright, so what you'll do is just click on Setup Now. And then at the top, just click on the slider and then wait for it to load. And in here, you have the option to automatically move candidates to Zoho People. Okay. Enable to automate the movement of candidates from Zoho Recruit to the selected module in Zoho People. So enable this one. And if you want to, you gotta push to onboarding or convert as employee automatically. Okay. So if I were you, I'm going to select push on onboarding, but it is actually depending on what your company needs. Okay. Some companies may convert recruits as an employee automatically, but if you want, you can go ahead and select this option, okay? Move candidates if status is what? Hired, offer accepted, okay? Now, once done, click on Update, Proceed. Now, onboarding module right here, as you can see, we have these options. First thing, make sure that the drop down right here will be first name as well. So just don't move anything right here, okay? Official email, select one, email, not secondary, of course. And professional details right here, experience, maybe experience in years. Just set it up however you want. All right, as you can see here, you have professional details, education, and experience. Now in this tab, you have the employee module. And don't forget to hit on save. There you go, basic information, work information, hierarchy, personal, contact details, separation, work experience, education details, and dependent details. And again, once you have finished mapping everything right here, do not forget to hit on save. And just be aware that only a few fields will be mandatory in the mapping section right here, even if they are mandatory in Zoho People. Okay. This also applies when you manually push candidates to Zoho People. But that's basically it. That is how you set up or connect Zoho Recruit with Zoho People. Just make sure again that this one right here is enabled. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.